Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to cover the topic of conditional formatting. So before we start, it's important to understand what exactly is conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So basically conditional formatting is a way for you to put color on your cells, and basically each cell that has color in it will respect certain parameters, right? So to be able to work with conditional formatting, first of all, you'll have to go on the Home tab, and it's gonna be right here. Also, you would require a little database of cells if you want to do the exercise at the same time as I'm doing it. So as you can see, what I did here is I have created a function. Well, I have written a function that will generate me a random number between 5 and 30. You can do pretty much the same thing and simply drag it everywhere. So each time that I refresh the page, as you can see, basically all the numbers refresh. Now, for the conditional formatting part, so as you can see here, it's possible to add, well, there's different things that you can do. You can add the rules. So we'll try to add a rule. It's also possible to add the top bottom rule. So for example, the top 10% will have color, the bottom 10% will have another color. It's possible to, well, to have some other ways to basically color your cells. One very simple to use will be the color scale right here. So let's just try it out. So I'll select all this and I'll add some colors. So as you can see here, all the numbers that are smaller will be more red, and all the numbers that are, well, higher will become green. So each time that I refresh the page, as you can see, it will automatically work like I want it to work. Once I have added some rules, it's possible to delete the rules. Well, to delete the rules, what you want to do is simply select the cells, go here and click on clear rules from selected cells. It's also possible to clear rules from all the sheets. So you can go here and clear rules from all the sheets. Now, if we want to add a specific rule to our formatting here, so let's say I select all this and I want to add a rule. So if, for example, numbers, well, all the numbers that are greater than, let's say, 15, I want them to be green. So how exactly will I be able to do this? So pretty simple. We're gonna go here and click on greater than. So now, format cells, so greater than. So all the numbers that are greater than 15, I want them to be green. And I click on OK. And as you can see, automatically, all the numbers that are greater than 15 will be green. And each time that I refresh the page, it will automatically adapt. Now, I can add another rule. For example, so all the numbers that are, let's say, less than, I don't know, let's say 13, I want them to be red. So as you can see, all the numbers that are less than 13 are red. So we have some numbers that are left. So we have 15s that are still here, we have 14s, and we have 13s. So what we can do, we can simply add another condition to them. So this time we're gonna use the equal to. So this way we are going to, well, we can add a different color for each of those cells, or we can just make it one color. So let's make it one color. It's gonna be easier. So we'll select all those cells right here, and we are going to click on the between button, and here we are going to select, so in our case, it's going to be all the numbers that are between 13 and, in this case, 15. We want them to be yellow. So here we go. So there we go. Right now, as you can see, all our cells are filled. So as you can see, all the cells that are from 0 to 13, well, 13 to 12, they will be red. All the cells that are 13, 14, and 15 are yellow, and all the cells that are 16 and over will be green. All right. So this is a way that we can condition format our cells. Now, if I want to delete all those condition formattings that I have just created, as I said, it's pretty simple. I can just select all those elements here, go here and click on clear rules. If I want to manage the rules or just change them, as you can see here, I have all the rules. I can click on add new rules and basically add new rules if I want to do so. So this is how conditional formatting works. So once again, to summarize, as I said in the beginning, the conditional formatting part of Excel is simply a way for you to be able to visualize the data that you have. So it's an easy way to, well, not only visualize it, but also sort the data and analyze it a little bit quicker. So for example, you want to see automatically if you have more numbers that are greater than, I don't know, like greater than 60%. Well, with conditional formatting, it's really simple to do that, and you'll be able to see if you have more numbers that are greater than a certain number, less numbers that are smaller than a certain number. And it's a way to analyze not only data, but also text. So really an amazing way to analyze data, the conditional formatting part. So that's it for this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.